Hello there. You have made a great choice downloading this roadmap. I'm Oluwayeti. I've been programming for over 10 years and I'm also a data scientist based in the UK. This roadmap have been created with love for people like you who are aspiring to be data analysts. I know there are many resources out there on YouTube, on Coursera, on Udemy, and all of that. What we have done in this roadmap is to break the steps to become a data analyst by using courses that are free alongside projects that you can do, whereby those projects can actually be added to your portfolio before you can start applying for jobs. In this very short video, I'm going to be giving you a walkthrough of the roadmap and also giving you some tips to maximizing your time as you go along this roadmap. So join me and come along. Once you have downloaded it, all you need to do is go to your email and you should be able to find this particular header from seller. Then you go to the receipt URL and click on this URL you have here. Once you do that, you download the file. And when you download the file, all you just need to do is open the file. You will get a PDF file and it should look something like this. On the second page, you're going to see that we have Excel. And what we have done is that for each of the course that you are required to take, we have given an overview of what that course is about, alongside the objective of this course, followed by the courses/resources panel. Under this, you are going to see the links to the courses that you are required to take. Some of them have just one course, some of them have two courses. Like, for instance, for Excel, you have to take two courses, and we usually put the one we highly recommend. After you have taken these courses, we also put a link to the project that is attached to that course. And we have also put the timeline that we think should take you to finish that course. As you scroll down, you see we have SQL, we have Power BI for visualization, we have statistics, which is just one course, as you would see here. And for in this case, we are saying do the project that has come with the course itself. And we have like Python programming, data analysis, data visualization, and the courses and the project that you should do. So you would see that we have broken it down and we have arranged it in the way that you should follow it such that it doesn't get overwhelmed for you. I hope you do make good use of this roadmap, and do not forget to click the link in the description box of this video that you are watching to join our WhatsApp channel, where we have pockets of challenges that we do to help people like you. I hope I'll see you there. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share the roadmap and also hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in my WhatsApp channel. I hope I do. The link is in the description box. Thank you for watching and bye.